Alright, today we're going to be taking a look at a Christmas Zippo. And today's video is brought to us by, this is also a Christmas present, and it is the Robert Rothschild Hot Pepper Raspberry Fruit Spread. And it's like a preserve. It's pretty nice, got a good flavor. And the main hot ingredient is, I think it is crushed red chili peppers. So this comes on like really sweet, and then you get that hot pepper in there. It's really a nice flavor. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Came in the normal Zippo box, and it says TARDIS blue police box cream matte. And it's got that idiotic P65 warning. But it is a genuine Zippo made in the USA. And there's the first look at it. This is becoming one of my a major part of my collection, only because I'm getting more and more of them. I hope to get a dozen by the next couple of years. So here's the TARDIS. It was made in, looks like L of 2020, which is December. Got a pretty nice sound. Got a steel insert. Fires up nice. Let's do a drop test on this Christmas TARDIS. That one bounced nicely, but it stayed lit. Let's try it once more. See if I can hit the target. Okay, so the TARDIS passes the drop test. One of my favorite Zippos. It's a slightly off-white color. And all those are made in different years. And since they were made in the USA, definitely deserve some cowbell. Knuckle bump.